Rastogi, and today I will tell you about river pollution, and at the same time I will tell you how to reduce this problem. So let's start.
Flip it, don't stop the beat.
Friends, rivers are the biggest source of fresh water and it is our lifeline. But it is really sad to see that most of our rivers being polluted because of garbage and waste continuously dumped into the rivers. People are careless and throw plastic bottles, cans and packets into the rivers. Because of this, river pollution is increasing very fast. Friends, you know river pollution kills water plants, animals and it also carries lot of diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, etc. So friends, what should we do now? Never throw garbage, waste, oil, plastic bottles, cans and packets into the rivers because water is lifeline for our survival. Water for flowers, water for flowers, water for trees, water for trees, water for birds, water for birds, water for bees, water for bees, water for rivers, water for rivers, water for sea, water for sea, water for world, water for world, and water for me, and water for me. Thank you. Friends, if you like this video, so please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you. And don't pollute the river.